The site of the first mass in the Philippines. This presentation examines the long-standing historical debate over where the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines was held, Limasawa Island or Butuan. The issue represents one of the most discussed controversies in the Philippine historiography because it touches both religion and national identity. The goal is to explore both versions objectively, analyze the evidence, and understand why such differences in the interpretation exist. Background of the controversy. The first recorded mass took place on March 31, 1521, Easter Sunday, as part of Ferdinand Magellan's expedition. However, the exact site remains contested because Antonio Pigafetta, the chronicler of Magellan, mentioned a place called Masawa. Scholars disagree on whether this refers to Limasawa in southern Leyte or Masao, Butuan in Mindanao. The controversy highlights how different readings of the same source can produce opposing conclusions. Limasawa Island, Southern Leyte. Supporters of the Limasawa version base their conclusion on Pigafetta's detailed journal, which described a small island south of Leyte, matching Limasawa's location. The National Historical Commission of the Philippines officially recognized Limasawa as the site through Republic Act No. 2733 on 1960, also known as the Limasawa Law. The act mandates the commemoration of event every year. Navigational evidence, route consistency, and cartographic alignment with Pigafetta's notes strongly support this claim. Scholars also point out that Limasawa was the only island that fit the description of Masawa. Masawa, Butuan. The Butuan claim is primarily based on local oral traditions and historical pride. Advocates argue that Masawa refers to Masao, a coastal area in the Butuan, which was already a known trading hub before Magellan's arrival. They point to the ancient maps and alleged consistencies in Pigafetta's descriptions as possible evidence that Mass took place in Butuan instead. Although lacking formal recognition, this version is often cited by regional historians and local politicians seeking to preserve Butuan's historical importance. Analysis and comparison. The Limasawa claim has stronger documentary support, official endorsement, and geographical consistency with Magellan's documented route. The Butuan claim depends largely on reinterpretations and local oral traditions rather than primary documentation. While Butuan's argument enriches the conversation, Limasawa remains more credible under historical scrutiny. However, the debate remains valuable as it demonstrates the role of interpretation and cultural identity in constructing history. Critical evaluation. Historical evaluation must rely on primary sources, empirical evidence, and critical interpretation. Pigafetta's logs are the most reliable records available. Limasawa's location and navigational details match these accounts best. Butuan's claim, although less supported, shows the importance of regional voices in national history. This controversy reminds us that history is not only about fact, it is also about meaning, perspective, and community identity. Evaluating both sides teaches the importance of analyzing historical evidence objectively. The conclusion. The first mass marks the beginning of Christianity in the Philippines, making it a cornerstone of Filipino cultural and religious identity. While both Limasawa and Butuan offer compelling narratives, and NFC reaffirmed Limasawa as the national official site of in 2021. On the 500th anniversary of the event, however, history is dynamic. New discoveries or evaluations can still reshape understanding. The controversy encourages critical thinking and continuous historical inquiry, essential for students, scholars, and citizens alike.